Hi there, in this video I will show you how to use LinkedIn to generate high quality leads without ads. So for this what you need to do is log in with your LinkedIn account and then optimize your LinkedIn profile and business page, which is use a professional profile picture and banner and write a clear and compelling headline. The next step will be to connect with a right audience like CEOs, founders and directors, marketing and sales head and prosecutors manager. The third step will be build authority by posting valuable content and then engage with prospects in comments and group. Use LinkedIn messages for lead nurturing. The next step is automate lead generation with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which is to find high intent leads, save leads and track engagement. Next step we have is move leads to your CRM and follow up. So, by following these easy steps, you can use LinkedIn to generate high quality leads without ads. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.